Hello, this is Asya Popova in my channel. Welcome in my new do-it-yourself video where I'm recycling plastic mineral water bottles. I got 2 or 3 actually mineral water bottles, 5 liters, and as you know, nature has been suffering a lot since we started producing and using plastic in our daily life. So it's better if we can recycle plastic by inventing something, creating something we can reuse at home. So I need a little spot where I can put my night light before bed, and it can be movable, so I can put this tiny spot everywhere where it is needed. And my night light is going to be very comfortable in this place. So here is what I mean. This is what I made today. There are 2 bottles of mineral water inside. 2 of them are cut just as needed, and then the cutting edge is twisted in a way so that it's not sharp. Then there is another bottle of mineral water inside 2 of them, so the construction is much stable. After I made the construction, I used sticky tape to put them together in the middle and in the vertical line, and in the very end of this I used to wrap all of the construction and all the construction with this material that is used often when you are buying stuff from the shop, stuff like electronics and different appliances, electric appliances. They are always packed with such kind of bubbly textile to protect them from smashed or fall. In the end, I just used some old textile I had that had some defects, and I just used this part of it that doesn't have any defects, and I stitched this. And after finishing this textile cylinder, I just collected both sides, both ends here on top, and stitched them. To hide the stitches, decided to crochet this lovely tiny thing, and I would have made it a bit larger, but I don't have so much time to waste, so I just made it as needed. And now I'm ready to put my lovely night lamp and have my book before bed, and I can hide this behind my mirror. This is one of the most comfortable things about it, that you can actually hide it. And if something like more space is needed, or you don't want to show this, you can just hide it, and then you can take it out in the night and put your light and have this comfortable place.